लोग कहते हैं कि भाई जब आप आपके पीरियड पे हो तो आपको करने का ज्यादा मन होता है
रिलेशंस के लिए।
हाँ जी,
दैट इज ट्रू, दैट इज
ट्रू है, होता है। आपको भी होता है?
हाँ।
So what is menstruation?
I experience it every day. Blood from my
Every day?
vagina. I mean, not every day, every month.
Periods?
Blood.
Something I did for 5 days a week.
When you're kind of dying.
Do you look forward to your period every month or do you?
No, not at all. I look forward to my period. It means that I'm not pregnant.
When it just comes, I realize, okay, I have to deal with it.
Do you think that it's by design or by accident that the first word in something that brings us so much pain is menstruation?
Do you need me to answer that? You're a girl also.
So men bring a lot of stress.
They are the stress itself.
Men don't give me pain. If I allow them to, maybe, but no.
What kind of man do you get afterwards? Yeah.
What
Otherwise,
kind of
yeah.
men? Do you have any funny or really horrible experiences related to your period?
My first time, I was stuck in the bathroom for 2 hours, just scared. Yeah, I was just like, what the fuck is this? On Wednesdays and Saturdays, we used to have white shorts. So dress code was like that. When we first had our periods, like 12th, we get stains, and like we usually used to like tell our classmates to take a chalk, rub the chalk on our stains, like, and then we used to go out.
I got my period once during a competition and then I lost, but that's the only thing I can.
But you couldn't blame your period.
Yes, I can blame my period.
I have an older son. And he looks at his younger sister. And he says like, what is that sound you're making when you're walking around? And she was like, I can kill you right now. So it was pretty awkward for all of us in the house. So
But then you all got over that. Now he knows what the sound is.
Yes.
What do you think is worse? Period cramps or your mood swings?
Period cramps easily because you're dying inside a little. Once I couldn't walk.
mood swings can be handled by me. The cramps are horrible.
Mood swings. They are
Why?
Because you don't have a medicine for it. You have medicine for cramps, but the mood swings just make you crazy. Cramps, you can just relax there. After some time it goes, then you can go. Mood swings, then you just talk rudely to someone.
So there are a lot of sanitary napkin ads that advertise ki bhai if you use our product on the first day of your period you can wear white pants, you can swing from trees, you'll get a promotion at work. Do you think that is true or not?
Bullshit.
No.
If you have 5 days, you're never going to wear anything light. You're going to be black from top to bottom or any dark color that's possible.
And you're going to be trudging along like that.
These ads, they tell you that during your periods you have to sleep straight in the night. I don't think that works.
So then why do companies use such advertising gimmicks?
I think now the teenagers, they want all this. Because in olden days, we never had all that. Yet still we were working and all that.
It's going to appeal to people who are very, very uncomfortable with what's happening with them. They're probably not familiar with this concept. So they think that it'll work.
So then you don't smell like daisies when you use a certain... Like don't go to the temple when you have your period. Don't touch food when you have your period. Don't go into the kitchen. Do you think they make any sense in today's world?
It was difficult for girls to travel at that time. So considering that, the entire thing was come into being that, don't go to temples. But then people, because they are stupid, society is stupid, they turned it into something else.
My mom doesn't believe in all this. She's like, God is God. He's given you, so he doesn't have a problem. So,
What's the connection between not going to temple and chumming? My mother doesn't allow me to touch anything.
it's India. And you can't go against your parents, which is unless you're under their roof, let alone after you're out of your house as well. It's quite impractical and frankly, I don't see the logic behind that.
Do you think there is some sort of scientific basis to why these customs were formed?
When women are on their periods, they're relatively weaker because they're having a lot of blood loss. So I think that going into the kitchen to work in that heat and stuff is not exactly good for your health.
Women wanted rest. That time they were asked to rest and not to work.
So it was like a vacation.
Yeah, vacation.
So any tips on handling people with their period?
You can't do anything much about it. You just have to smile and bear it.
Be patient. This will pass and count to 10 and moms, this will pass. Lots of ice cream.
Lots of ice cream?
Yeah.
So any boy who goes up to a girl should for the ice cream. Can I talk to you?
That's a safe way.
There is an urban legend that says that women on their period are hornier than usual.
It's very true. It's very true. How about
comment.
women who are
Thank you.
horny all the time?
What about them? Who are them?
You can't be like them. They are on periods like 365 days. That are women.
So if I was granted one wish, I would wish that there wasn't a crime scene in my underwear every month. What do you think? Comment below with your stories. Also, if you like this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, share and subscribe to the Being Indian channel. That's it from me.
I love talking to strangers. I grew up trying on my mother's lipsticks. I grew up trying on boys' clothes.
I am green. I'm a statement. I'm a language.